Day one, there has been a great deal of anticipation that XRP will hit the historic $10,000 level. And you know what? Larry Finn of BlackRock, who is supporting this image, just gave that prognosis a tremendous boost. However, he is not merely referring to a pitiful $10,000 per XRP. He is stating that it is a necessary condition. Wait a moment. Things will improve. Has it that BlackRock will introduce an exchange-traded fund, ETF, with an emphasis on XRP. You heard it right, but there's more to it. You know what lies at the core of the $30 trillion real estate sector that Larry Fink is studying? The XRP ledger is set to tokenize the entire thing, with an incredible 1.2 quadrillion from the International Swaps and Traders Association scheduled to flow. Through Ripple and the XRP ledger, we are not merely discussing $10,000 per XRP, which is naive. It's possible that the value of XRP will soar to as much as $60,000. Great, right now. Now let's move on to the next section. Larry, thinking of BlackRock, made another startling discovery. He's not only chatting, he's faking it. We have a footage in the next part of our film that will catch your attention as Ripple and its digital asset XRP are ready to undergo considerable tokenization. The long-awaited video is now here. Larry thinks he is verifying BlackRock's switch to an XRP exchange-traded fund. One example of how we're legitimizing it and improving safety is the introduction of Bitcoin ETF. If you intend to develop another ETF, please let me know. Although I am aware that you have Ether, what about an XRP ETF? I can't if you say I can't and you don't want me to, all right? Don't tell me the outcome. There have been a lot of strange things happening in the cryptocurrency industry lately, especially with regard to XRP, thanks to the well-known exchange crypto.com. XRP's value surged to an astounding $43,000. This is not a singular occurrence. Instead, it's a part of a developing pattern where XRP's value is surprisingly increasing. As you may remember, we discussed a $7,000 XRP problem at a prominent exchange last week. It's Crypto.com's turn now. And it seems that these sudden spikes in XRP's value are occurring often on several exchanges. Let's go on to something else, though. During the lengthy inquiry, I came across something equally fascinating that has nothing to do with BlackRock or the overall boom in the XRP market. We will discuss Gary Gendler, the well-known SEC chairman who succeeded Jake Clinton. Gendler frequently categorizes XRP as a security, as the majority of you may already be aware. The intriguing portion starts at this point. Gary Gensler's identical twin brother, Robert M. Gensler, is the same age as Gary and shares a striking resemblance to Gary. Gary Gendler, the head of the SEC, continues to classify XRP as a security, which has a curious link to this. As the vice president of T-Price, Robert plays a significant role in the company. But if you dig a little deeper, you'll find that TR Price isn't your average investment company. It is one of the biggest investors in Ethereum, Bitcoin, and yes, XRP. His identical brother has a close relationship with an investment firm that owns a sizable portion of SRP and other cryptocurrencies. It's a fascinating study that raises a number of questions about the intricate relationships at play in the world of Bitcoin rules and investments, which brings us to a fascinating possibility. Is it possible that Robert Gendler, the vice president of TR Price, has special insight into XRP's potential comparable to that of Ethereum and Bitcoin? This idea is supported by the firm's significant holdings in these three cryptocurrencies, as well as the SEC's outspoken denial of any insider trading. It seems that the SEC officials are informing their family members about the digital assets that would soon no longer be classified as securities. These family members then make early investments, and when the asset is formally deemed non-security, its value surges, enabling these friends and family to profit handsomely from low purchases and high sales. Given that these investigations and reports have repeatedly highlighted dubious practices within the SEC, let's examine the possibility that Robert and Gendler received insider information about the SEC's possible loss in a lawsuit against XRP from his brother, Gary Gendler. In light of this information, Congress might try to resolve the dispute between Ripple Labs and the SEC. This would make it a perfect time for smart investors to buy XRP while closely monitoring the price of TRO. The cryptocurrency industry is aflutter over XRP potentially skyrocketing and directing money into Bitcoin and Ethereum, but more significantly, XRP adds another dimension to this tale, 10, 20, or even $60,000. In particular, according to fervent analysts like Jack the Ripper, who predict a massive rise in XRP's value that might reach $589. This projection, however bold, demonstrates the increasing curiosity and speculation about XRP and its potential in the cryptocurrency market. I think an XRP ETF will be the first big step in Wall Street's competition for a piece of the lucrative XRP market, but let's examine it more closely. Beyond this development, CryptBasic has some intriguing news to share. A former Ripple director has taken notice of JP Morgan's significant investment in XRP, according to an analyst. I'm curious about this discovery and we should look into it. The tale goes like this. Ben Armstrong, formerly of the BitBoy cryptocurrency brand CLS, made a disputed allegation about JP Morgan's alleged involvement in XRP, to which an ex-director of Ripple reacted. Armstrong, a well-known figure in the cryptocurrency space, revealed this in a number of posts. He suggests that 7.5 million XRP tokens had been accumulated by JP Morgan. Armstrong goes on to say that this purchase represents about 7.5% of JP Morgan's total wealth. But hold on, this math seems to be totally off. 7.5 million XRP at its present value of 4.46 million doesn't even come close to 7.5% of JP Morgan's fortune, which is estimated to be an incredible $3,890 billion. As of 2023. Despite the fact that his figures don't precisely add up, Armstrong emphasizes the significance of JP Morgan's alleged strategy, suggesting that they are secretly hoarding XRP. According to him, this positions JP Morgan as a major player in the Bitcoin market. Therefore, we have a tale about Wall Street giants like JP Morgan maybe acting. It's not a bad idea for large